Hello, and welcome to the virtual event platform. To get started, please reference this landing page for the program overview, instructions, and to access the portal. Once you click this button, you'll be brought to this page. Select first time logging in, enter the email address that you registered with the conference, and select send registration email. If you do not receive an email, please contact us at help@conferencesolutions.com. If you receive invalid credentials, something like this, please note you either are not registered for the conference or you're using a different email address than you're registered with. If you receive the email, go ahead and click the button, set the password, and log in. On this screen, confirm the information has been pulled in from registration. Additionally, feel free to edit the responses to your demographic questions under this tab. The Events tab has all the education opportunities throughout the show. If there's anything you'd like to attend to add to your calendar, select Attend. All of your education, your one-to-one appointments, and all the other opportunities will be located here under the Deal Market tab. Feel free to block your availability. Simply go ahead and select a time and submit it, and that will block out your calendar. No one can see what you're doing, but it makes sure that no one will try to schedule things with you during the time you're unable to meet. You'll notice here in green, these are the different education opportunities, and in this dark gray, that's the time that I've blocked my calendar. To request a meeting with someone, select their name, review their information as well as their demographic, and hit request a meeting. Don't forget to add a title, and we do have secured virtual meeting rooms as the location. Feel free to unselect it if you'd like them to call you or add a Zoom link in. Select the duration, add a note, and request the meeting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you in how to manage those requests and how to get to your one-to-one appointments. I'm going to switch you over to this tab where I already have those meetings booked. So under your Request tab, your incoming requests is people who have requested to meet with you. You can either snooze those requests, which is really a deny, but they're not notified, or you can pick a time. Under pending requests, these are your outgoing. Feel free to cancel at any time. And these are my accepted meetings. You can reschedule, and if you're the owner of a meeting, you can also invite others to join. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to launch one of the meetings. I have this one right here, all ready to go. All you need to do is hit Join Meeting. Make sure that you have given access to both your camera and microphone, and the meeting will simply go ahead and launch. Please note, I have my camera off now. Turn that camera on. Hello, it's nice to see you all. You can chat in here, and please note that each meeting has a unique URL associated with it. So these are private, and if you try to go back to a meeting, assuming that someone's still in there, you are able to join, but after they're expired, you're not able to attend the next day. Additionally, you'll notice that if there are ones in the future, it doesn't have the ability for you to select join, but that will go live once it gets closed. Again, there's the Invite Others button as well. If you have any additional questions, feel free to let us know. And additionally, you can also download your schedule into an ICS format. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email us at help@conferencesolutions.com. Thank you, and we look forward to having you attend.